Hi, in this video, I will show you how to create check-ins and check-outs from Twib. To create a check-in, go to the menu, click on the Check-ins option, now click on the plus button to go to the check-in form. Provide a name, details and a photo of the check-in. Then click on the Add Check-in button. You can see your check-in has been recorded. Now to create a check-out for the same, click on the respective check-in, then click on the blue button, provide the outcome type, any other information and a photo. Click on the Add Checkout button. You can see your checkout has been added. Now to view any previous check-ins, go to the Check-ins button again and click on the Search button. You can filter your check-ins based on date, click on the calendar icon in the search box, and select the date to go to the check-ins list for the date as per your requirement. You can see all the check-ins here as per the date selected. You can also view your last 25 check-ins directly on the check-ins page from the check-ins menu. This is how check-ins and check-outs can be added on Twib.